Hello everyone, I'm Lucy with another great recipe for you. For today's video I'm making chili con carne. So let's go to my kitchen to make this wonderful dish. I sprinkled with salt and pepper about 4 pounds of beef. We can buy the beef that is already cut by the butcher in the supermarket and is marked as beef for stew. Remember, all the ingredients and steps for this recipe are in the description below this video. 1 medium can of diced tomatoes, and this is the 14.5 ounces can. Chipotle peppers in powder, oregano, and I'm using dry oregano and cumin powder. Canned green chilies, and these chilies are mild. You can find the can of this chili where you find the tacos and burritos ingredients. This is the can. 1 small jalapeño pepper. Be very careful with this pepper if you are serving this chili to children. Chili powder. About 4 mashed garlic cloves. 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. 4 slices of bacon, cut in small tiny pieces. This bacon will add smokiness flavor to the chili. 4 tablespoons of corn muffin mix. Let me show you the box. This will make a nice thick sauce. And 1 very large onion, diced. And just plain water. These are the main ingredients, so let's start cooking. Before I start cooking, I prepare my slow cooker pot. The first thing I'm going to do is to fry the bacon. I want this bacon to be really crispy. This bacon will leave the smokiness flavor into the chili. And I also going to be using the grease that the bacon leaves behind. And in this grease, I'm going to brown the beef. I'm going to brown about half of the portion of the beef. Then I'm going to continue with the second portion. I want both sides of the beef to be brown and not necessarily completely cooked inside. Once the beef is brown in both sides, I place the beef into my slow cooking pot. Right now I'm cooking in high temperature. And in this same grease that the bacon left behind, I'm going to saute the onions. I'm going to wait until the onions are soft and translucent. And then I'm going to add the garlic. Mix the garlic and the onions. Add the jalapeño pepper. the green chili peppers, and the spices cumin, chipotle, and oregano. I'm going to add the diced tomatoes. I'm still cooking in high temperature, but you can lower the temperature to medium if that makes you feel more comfortable cooking. I'm adding the chili powder, the brown sugar, and I'm mixing well, and I'm going to let it boil or cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Keep mixing. And after 2 or 3 minutes cooking or simmering, this mixture is ready to be placed together with the meat in the slow cooker pot. Once it's transferred into the meat, then we go ahead and add the water. Mix well and taste for salt. Sprinkle some salt and pepper if you like. Then close the pot and let it simmer for about 2 hours. After 2 hours, uncover and take out about 1 cup of the liquids. With this liquid, we're going to mix the muffin mix. Mix well until it's formed a gravy or a thick sauce. We're going to add this sauce to the chili, cover again, and let it cook for about 30 additional minutes. The meat has become very tender and is ready to be served. You can serve this with white rice on the side or a piece of bread. It doesn't matter how you serve it, either way it's going to be delicious. Add a little bit of cheese. When you're serving it, you can add some avocado and some croutons for crunchiness. Enjoy this dish. I hope you like this recipe and that you visit me soon again. I see you soon in my next video. Buen provecho. Bye bye.